Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add a new body effect in CapCut PC that's that a doppelganger. So you can add photos or videos you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to select video, the track, and go to apply, select body effect. In training you can find zero that doppelgangers. Just download it and apply it to the clip, add to the track. So but this is pro effect, you have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. Then you can change for the option for effect for the atmosphere, blur, amount, range, size, speed, and you can see for the final result. Just click the play button. That's it. It's so cool like that you have to try. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let me comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.